I love you, Freyja. Yeah. Chacanta. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Brava. See? Good. 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 It's spring, Freyja, spring. Sorry. Freyja's exploring because it's spring. And she's really happy these days and jumping around, and she plays in the garden. And smells around. And then she might look thinner to you, but that's just because she's shedding, you know, she's lost a lot of her winter fur. So in the winter she does look bigger. That's because of the fur, not actually because she gained weight. She's a very healthy weight. What? I'm gonna give Freyja a treat. That's why she's here standing in front of me. Because I got treats. Mommy is awesome. So now what you want to do? Oh, Freyja found a snail shell. It's like her little balls, except not made of paper. Well, here. Hey, let's play. This is the dead snail shell. Freyja, you're not supposed to eat it. What's that? It's a snail shell. It's my telephone. My telephone's ringing. I can hear it from here. Enrico came home, and this is her reaction. It's not only that she's marking the stuff, the place, but she's like really happy. Maybe Oliver's there. Uh-oh. And now she's walking away. What did you do, Freyja? Oliver's standing, saying there. He's going away now. They just did some hissing. Hissing. They did like... She checks all along the fence for lizards. For little newts.